The only player Ronaldinho called his master didn't really play football. He played something completely different. In every match, he invented his own game. Defenders weren't rivals, just obstacles in his path. He performed roulettes, sombreros, impossible moves and dribbles that no one else dared attempt in front of thousands of spectators. And then there was that move that became legendary. Facing the most feared goalkeeper on the planet, he dribbled past him once, sent him to the ground, came back, dribbled past him again, and ended up scoring with ease. It wasn't a goal, it was a work of art. While the big stars were signing for the most prestigious clubs, he chose a small team in England and turned it into the most spectacular place in the world. He doesn't have a Ballon d'Or in his trophy cabinet, but it doesn't matter, because this player never played for trophies. He played for the stands, for the soul, for the child who fell in love with football when he saw an impossible dribble. He reminded us that this sport is not just a business, it is joy, daring, a real spectacle. Now tell me, if you are a true football connoisseur, write his name in the comments.